that. Who should I call next? Hum, that. This is gonna be good. Hello, ma'am. I was wondering, is your refrigerator running? Well, you better go catch it. Oh, I love me. Hello there. I am your local telephone repairman. I am just calling to check in on your service. To test the line, please say, I am a big baby. Oh, so good. One more time. Hello? Who is this? Pizza Hut? Wait a minute. I want pizza. Nardog, what's our address? I'm ordering pizza. Yes, I'll take a cheap pizza. You could deliver it to my house, please. It should be in your address book. Don't worry, my mom, she'll pay for it. And please hurry, I'm getting real hungry. Whoa, that was fast.
George, did you order a pizza for delivery?
You wouldn't hurt a poor innocent baby, would you?